Coast Outdoors. Here I am, second week of March, Sand Hollow. So right at the tail end of winter, and water temp is at 51 degrees. It's supposed to be a nice warm day today, so hopefully I can pick up a bass. I have caught bass this time of year, however I may not. We'll see. I came out a few times in January and in February. I got skunked, so hopefully there's some more movement today, a little bit more action, because I really need to catch a bass. So let's go find some fish. All right, well, one of my methods I'm going to try today is drop shots. So I need to get this tied up, and I'm using a 1/0 hook here. So we're gonna get this tied up and work some magic with this. All right, there. And I'm gonna go back through. So I got that. And I'm going to take that and tie an overhand like such. I'm going to pull that tight and pass that through. Get that tight there. There. Boom. Okay. So got my hook tied, and it's facing up as such. So I'm going to put the weight down here and tie this in to my braided line. Yep, looks a little sloppy. I'm not a perfectionist on this, but I think this will work. All right, let's get it tied to the braid. All right, so I should have put some saliva on there before I tighten that up, but oh well, I forget my seat today too, so it's gonna roll like that, I think. Okay, so you can see that I've got my hook tied there, and then I'm gonna have a weight down here, and I'll be kind of bouncing that around a little bit. That's gonna get them. All right, the next setup I'm gonna use is do some Texas rigs. So I've got 1/4 ounce bullet weights, and I've got 4/0 offset shank hook worm. Yeah, let's get that tied up. Get that weight on. This tied. All right, there. Now I'll put my Cinco on here, and it'll be weedless. And my other method today is using a jig head and a curly tail worm. So I'm going to throw everything at them today, because I'm not leaving this reservoir until I catch a bass today. That's how it's going to work. Right on. We are ready to rip some lips. All right, got my rods tied up, so I'm gonna come work the dam for a bit and see if we can start off right with one over there. Can't believe I forgot my chair. Oh! That's gonna do it. Okay, so got my hooks pointing up. This thing's just gonna flop around on the water like that. Bass just can't take it. Got the weight down there. Gets caught on something, the weight's gonna pop off, and I'll be able to retrieve the lure. So I'm still gonna use a slow retrieve and see where that gets me. Alright, so you can see that lure looks like with the drop shot how it presents itself. Kind of flapping around like that. Yeah, bass love that. Try that one. Oh yeah. Fish on, fish on. First bass of 2018, Sand Hollow. Yeah, spell is broken. All right, we're gonna let him go. Very nice, very nice. Drop shot for the win. Forget to get a selfie with my first bass of 2018. I might have to catch another one. Moving. All right, I'm gonna head over to the south side of the lake and work in some deeper water over there. Got one. Check that out. What? I'm gonna have to hit that. them pitching against the rocks on the bottom here. Gnats. Okay, I've come over to some deeper water on the southern shoreline, or near the southern shoreline. Water temps actually over 54 degrees over here, so that could be promising. So I'm gonna try some drop shot, and I'll try some jigging over here. See if we can produce another bass, because one just isn't enough. And I'm in about 40 to 50 feet of water. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Yep. Nice. Fish on. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a nice bass. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Hot. Yep. Yes. Off that crazy little thing. Nice. Nice bass. Gotta get a selfie now. All right. Nice bass. And he's going back. I never keep him in Sand Hollow, so I don't really keep largemouth at all. All right, off we go. Big. Get big. So I was just casting a jig. I was letting it get on the bottom. I was just letting it sit there and then kind of pulling it back and then let it drop. Not a fast retrieve, and they're not hitting hard. A little sluggish, but it's happening. Moving. Back out in about 60 feet of water. Water temperature is now 55.2. So I'm gonna go deep, and it's Cinco time. See if we can pick one up. I'm gonna try Cinco out here and some drop shot. Sure missed my chair. All right. Let's try drop shot and wacky. See what happens then. All right. I cut one of the dingers down to make a somewhat larger Ned rig, so try bouncing off the bottom, see if that wakes anything up. Alright, going to try the tried and true 5-inch white curly tail. Why not? Alright, moving again, and I've returned to using the old drop shot. I actually got a bump on that 10-inch worm. How about that? That's right. I'm throwing everything today. Slow, slow, slow. Well, I'm about to wrap this up. Been out here about 8 hours now. 2 bass. I'll take it. And man, let me tell you, I've thrown everything at them. Water temp never got above 55. So it's pretty good considering the last 2 times I came out here I got skunked. Actually, I'm wrong on that. Over here, the northern side of the dam here, I'm reading 60 degrees water temperature. And 37 feet of water. Maybe this is where they're all at. This will be my last stand, so I'm gonna drop shot it and then I'm gonna jig right around here and then I'll probably wrap it up. Okay, that's gonna be a wrap for me today. 2 fish, a lot of work. Caught them though. I was thinking I might get skunked again coming out, but I proved myself wrong, so that was pretty cool. I threw an awful lot of different lures in the water today, and well, it did produce, so I have to admit that. It's kind of, you never know this time of year. We're right at the tail end of winter. It's early March, so you know, it can go either way. But from this point, well, actually the last 2 weeks we've just had storm after storm after storm, and we've got another front coming through in this coming weekend, so it'll drop the temps again, and then it'll slowly work back up. So springtime's coming, and with springtime comes spawn, so looking forward to that. But in the meantime, they are biting. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time. D-Rock out.